Alright, here we are with a new product, just came out for everyone who doesn't want to use a pump and doesn't want to get a big compressor, maybe a tank, and filling up the tanks at a remote location isn't good for you. We have the inventory Nomad compressor, the personal compressor for filling up your gun only. This one works on 12 volt batteries, 110 volts, or 120 volt. So you've got in the kit battery connection that goes to your inverter. We're going to use the 110, 120 volt on 110. When you plug it in, you'll notice that the fans start running, everything starts going, there's no on-off switch for that. You've got your connection with a filter in it to go from your pump to your gun with the Foster quick disconnects on it. So we'll connect that onto the pump, connect this one up to the gun. Now we're going to fill this one from 2,000 to 3,000 psi, see how much time it takes. We're already set up on 3,000 psi. It will automatically shut off when it gets up to pressure, and we're going to press the on button, and there she goes. She starts pumping away, and there's nothing for you to do. You just let it pump. There is a load here telling you what the electrical load is. You want to make sure that stays under 30. Currently we're running at about 21. When it get up to about 29, they say to lubricate the compressor. There's a port over here on the side where you put a couple drops of the oil into it to lubricate it. You do that once every 5 times you fill the guns. And then eventually there's a drain off port on the bottom where you can drain off any moisture that would collect inside the unit and any excess oil that's in there. So that happens like every 20 fills. So very little maintenance to do on it, really handy. Put it in your car, run it in your shop. Right now we just reached the 2,000 psi mark. It's going to take a little bit to get up to 3,000. And that's about it for what I can talk about on this. Other options, there is the Air Venturi, a larger compressor, which is a $1,300 compressor at the moment. That one you can fill your scuba-sized tanks or your football-sized buddy bottles. You can fill your guns also. And here at New England Air Gun, if you do get one of the larger compressors, we can help you offset that cost by putting you on our website so that people in your area can go to you for fills instead of coming to us. So they can pay you and offset the cost of the compressor a little bit. So for the current price of $500, a little bit more than what you're going to pay for a hand pump, but I'm not breaking the sweat doing this. It's doing all the work. We're getting really close to the 3,000 psi. Should be shutting off in a moment. So you get your pressure over here. Pressure's getting up there, almost ready to shut off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Didn't time that right, but still about to shut off. Hey, there it goes. So you see your fans are still running to keep everything cool. So now when we're done filling, we have to bleed it off. There's a bleed off valve here. We'll open that. Pressure's off. We can disconnect from our gun. And then you can see on our gun that we're fully up to pressure. There we go. Kind of quick and easy. So that is it on the Air Venturi Nomad. If you don't want to pump and you don't want to get a big compressor, this personal compressor from your gun is a great choice.